Again, if you're watching this video, that means you might need some help filling out your alternate form designation sheet. Now before we get into that, I'm going to show you where it's located on our website. As you can see here, we're on our IRA homepage. You're going to want to scroll down to quick links, select classroom exam processing. If you're unfamiliar with this classroom exam processing page, it just provides some basic information about our office location, hours of operation, as well as some of the services which we offer. For this particular video, you're going to want to scroll down to the right-hand side until you see Form/Documents. Once you're on this next page, you want to scroll down until you see the header titled Exam Scoring Services, and underneath that header, you will see our alternate forms designation sheet. To provide a quick background on the alternate form sheet and what it does, we created this form to decrease the possibility of cheating. Therefore, we made it possible to rearrange the same items of an exam into two different forms. Once we process your alternate form job, we will provide a single item analysis report on the combined data from up to 4 such forms of one exam. Now please listen carefully and follow these certain steps in order to successfully fill out the sheet. As I've already mentioned, there may be up to 4 forms of one exam. One form must be designated the primary form, and the others must be designated as the alternate forms. The same questions and responses are used for all forms, however, the order of the items will vary between the forms of the exam. The order of the response options must be the same for each item on all of the forms. To help identify where to designate the form code, we're going to jump back to a sample Scantron sheet we have on our website. As you can see right here, in the upper right hand side of the answer sheet, column titled Test Code, this is where you would indicate 1-1 for the primary form, 2-2, 3-3, etc. for all the alternate forms. Remember, it must be indicated in those 2 columns on each student answer sheet. Now in review, please remember that the answer sheets for the primary and alternate forms must be separated before the exam is turned in for processing. The instructor must prepare scoring keys for each form, prepare one key indicating the correct answers for the primary form, and a separate key for each alternate form. All keys should be clearly identified. Lastly, in the item analysis report and the Excel summary file, the responses for all the items on all the different forms of the test will be correctly matched and combined as if there was only one form of the test, and there will be summary statistics provided for each item in the test. As always, don't hesitate to reach out to us if you have any further questions or concerns. Thanks for watching. We look forward to you dropping by.